Operation Unicorn is introducing a new certification, a new international certification, Certified Unicorn Developer. The word unicorn, when used for developers, means that the skill set of these developers is so unique that it is extremely rare. This is required because of the changes that has occurred in the last few years. There has been a fusion of different technologies which will be required for the developers to develop APIs and applications. The fusion of cloud computing, specifically serverless, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, API economy, DApps, DeFi, all these technologies will be required by a developer basically to develop the next generation of applications and APIs. Let's first discuss what are the trends which is shaping and changing the industry. The first trend is the rise of cloud computing. With COVID-19, the companies have realized if they have to service the masses for scalability, cloud computing is a must and there is no other choice. So therefore, enterprises are moving to cloud computing and it is going to become a $1 trillion business in the next few years. The next trend is the emergence of token economy, decentralization, and ownership economy. Think in these terms. For example, on Facebook right now, the content will not only be created by the user, but it will be financed by the user, it will be owned by the user, and so on. So therefore, this trend, and where cryptocurrencies are going to dominate and take over the world. So this trend is going to also affect software development, how we develop software, how we finance it, and who owns it. The effect of this decentralization will be that financial system will be totally integrated with software. People are calling this DeFi, which is decentralized finance. Financial sector will become totally integrated with software tools and will become a major part of software industry. The technology sector, the software sector, and the financial sector will become totally merged and totally integrated. DeFi is going to take over the world. The third major trend is the rise of the API economy. Companies are going to focus on developing APIs even before they develop applications. These APIs will be used by other developers to develop applications. These companies are going to be called API first companies, and this whole process is going to be called the API economy. There will be trillions of API endpoints. Everything will be connected to each other. Your mobile phone, your computer, your cameras, all the different gadgets, maybe even your bed will be connected to the internet through APIs. APIs will be everywhere. There will be trillions of API endpoints. Another trend which is having a major effect on software development is the mass adoption of artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere. AI is being used in different applications and APIs. Think about it. AI needs data, and the data is on the cloud. So therefore, if you want to build a model for AI, machine learning model, you have to go to the cloud. The same applies to IoT. Internet of Things is generating massive amounts of data, and except for the cloud, nobody can handle the scalability issues. So therefore, both AI and IoT has moved over to the cloud. At this stage, if you want to learn AI or IoT, you have to have a very good understanding of cloud computing as well. The Certified Unicorn Developer Program will have a duration of 18 months, 1.5 years. During the first year, we will be focusing on skills which are required by all developers. And the last 6 months will be spent on the skills which are required for specialists in different areas. The student will start his learning experience by understanding what is the token economy, what is the API economy, and what is cloud computing. Once he has this understanding, then we will start learning programming. The language we have selected to teach first is TypeScript. It's a beautiful language, one of the most popular languages in the world. And going forward, we feel that combined with WebAssembly, TypeScript and AssemblyScript will basically be the future platform on almost all devices and operating systems. That's why we have selected TypeScript. Once the developer has understanding of the fundamentals of programming and he understands how to program, then the developer will move on to learn serverless cloud computing using AWS Cloud Development Kit, which is called CDK usually. This CDK is basically an infrastructure as code tool, which is the future of DevOps and which is going to play a vital role in developing cloud applications. Once you have understanding of cloud computing, then we'll move towards Ethereum and DApps, where the developer will understand that how to create decentralized smart contracts and APIs. So therefore, there will be two kind of servers if you think about it in that way. One will be the centralized server, will be cloud computing, and we are right now focusing on only on AWS, and the second one is Ethereum and the smart contracts on top of it. Both these two are required to fully develop applications, the next generation applications as well as APIs. Then we will move towards learning an introduction to AI on the cloud, because this is required for all developers to understand how to develop AI-based cloud applications and APIs. All this we will cover in the first year of programming, which is common to all. Every developer will go through this 1 year of coursework. During the last 6 months of the program, different people will specialize in different areas. Of course, a developer can specialize in more than one area, but this will be 6 month specialist programs, for example, in AI, IoT, blockchain and DeFi, quantum computing, and also for a specialist program for architects, where they will understand design patterns, best practices, algorithms, different kind of data structures that are required for this new kind of development. Overall, it will be a 1.5 year program. The first year will be focused on the skills which will be required by everyone, and the last 6 months will be focused towards different specialized programs. I suggest to all of you, all the developers out there, get ready for this new age, this new paradigm, and together, let's change the world. Up till now, most of the specialist areas have covered and taught you how to develop specialized kind of APIs. but we will have also specialized programs for front-end developers, for SaaS developers. For example, for web SaaS developers, we will teach them React and React Native, and for native developers, Android development and iOS development. So therefore, application development has become a niche market. Most of the developers will be developing APIs, and some specialized developers will be creating applications from these APIs, which we are also calling Jamstack. This program right now is freely available on the internet. You can join it, which is a totally free program, Bootcamp 2021. Later, once we have created the required number of developers and specialists in different areas, it will spread all across the world. And different people will be using this program to teach others. Of course, they will be charging for it. But at this stage, it is totally free. Thank you so much. Together, let's do it.